Welcome to the Yodha Wewa, the giant tank of Mannar. This is a large ancient irrigation reservoir located about 20 to 25 kilometers southern of Mannar Island in Sri Lanka in the northern province. The name Yodha in Sinhala means the giant, or in Tamil Periyakulam means the giant tank. A fitting description for the vast spreading waters of this historic tank. Yodha Wewa or giant tank is believed to have very old origins. According to some scholars, it may date from the reign of King Dhatusena and was later restored by the King Parakramabahu I in 12th century. The tank covered a broad area, has a long bund and was designed to irrigate thousands of areas of paddy field in this semi-arid region. Today, it is also serves as a tranquil spot for travelers, offering the wide views of the water bunds and adjacent green fields. At certain times, you will spot many birds around the edges of the tank. So, by visiting this place, you will get a marvelous feelings. The feeling is not like anything that you can get in the Mannar city, because here the weather is so chilly and you will be always feeling the blowing and golden wind. So, whenever you visit Mannar, don't miss this Yodha Wewa or giant tank. Please be subscribed for more similar videos under the topic of Visit Sri Lanka.